Disclaimer. The information provided is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice, investment recommendations, or buy-sell suggestions. Investing involves risk, and you should conduct your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. In this video, let's look into overnight trade and how I find potential stocks to trade. In this video, we will be using SNO, which have a return of 154% overnight as example. Before we move on to how I found this trade, let us understand what an overnight trade is. An overnight trade is a trade which you enter this day, held overnight, and sell the next day. How do I find these stocks? Using Whalestream platform. With Whalestream, you can see the real-time options trading activity and uncover the smart money moves as they happen. You can scan the QR code or click on the link in the description below to join Whalestream today. You will have a 7 days free trial period, and when the trial period is over, you will have $10 off on the subscription. Once you sign up, go to the dashboard. SNO hit the dashboard on February 26th, with two huge bullish premium order at strike price $177.50 and $182.50. Let's look at the chart. On February 26th, the price is between the 50 days EMA, green line, and 100 days EMA, purple line. The stochastic RSI shows an early sign of trend reversal to the upside. The next day, the price soared upon positive earning announcement. Profit target is hit, and the trade is exited with 154% profit. As a thank you for staying with me till now, here are 3 stocks that are in my watch list for this week to the upside. The ticker symbols are AE, ACOM, and Walmart. Don't miss the next opportunity to search for more potential stocks and trade alongside with the whales. Scan the QR code or click on the link in the description below and join in the fun. My name is Carmen, and do practice position sizing and risk management in your trading journey. See you in the next video.